Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? It's Rada from Brashan. Hope you are all doing very well today. It's exam season, and we are all working extremely hard to make sure we succeed this year. August will be a very happy time for all of us. So, in the spirit of exam season, I would like to speak about how I support my students to excel in A-level chemistry. Just a few tips. You may learn from some of them, pick a few things that you may want to use this very busy time. So the first thing I do is to provide a sound foundation in the basics. Students who have a sound foundation of the basics of chemistry are able to succeed at A level. So if you feel that your foundation is not solid, it's never too late to start. I suggest you go back now and make sure you have a good understanding of the basic concepts, such as simple things like the full detailed atomic structure, full detailed kinetics, because there is no paper that you are not going to come across kinetics, enthalpy, entropy. So go back and have a sound footing of those topics, and then you can build on them. All right. Now, the next thing I do, I make sure that my students are motivated. In fact, I motivate myself. When I'm climbing a hill, which I find to be quite difficult, I tell myself, Irada, you can do this. Chemistry is a challenging subject. That is why I like it. And it is also very rewarding. So it is important for students to keep working hard to remain motivated. It will also involve setting yourself some challenging goals. We've spoken about setting goals. So you need to set yourself some challenging goals. Don't set yourself goals that are too easy for you to achieve. You won't be learning much from that. Yeah. And when you achieve these very challenging goals that you set for yourself, then you reward yourself. You give yourself something that you like. It could be small, it could be just, if you normally drink just water, give yourself a can of Coke or something better. Give yourself a dinner that you did not cook. So go out for a dinner or something like that. Yeah. So that will show you how important your achievement in that small goal that you set yourself is. Also, at this point in time, you need to have plenty of practice opportunities. The best way to learn chemistry is by doing. So make sure you have plenty of opportunities to practice what you are learning. Work through practice problems. Make sure you do as many quizzes as possible. Make sure you attempt all the past questions you can come across. Not once, not twice, as many times as you possibly can. Remember to ask questions as well. We are all there. The teachers and anyone who knows anything about chemistry will happily support you. We all acknowledge that chemistry is a challenging subject, and you will not always understand everything you are learning. Even something you learned yesterday, you may not remember it today. So it is important to keep asking questions anytime you are confused. This will help you clarify your understanding and to make sure you are on the right track. Now, do not use only one method for your practice. So if you just sit down and keep reading without actually putting pen to paper, chemistry is not a subject that does well with that. So you will need to really write down like you are in the exam hall. But then not all students learn in the same way. So you have to find your own best way of learning. All right. So this period of exam season, do not stress yourself unnecessarily. make sure you have a positive mindset. I can do it mindset. That way, you will be able to identify what you are actually good at and what you need to work on. So, year 12, year 13, year 11 students, if you are watching me right now and you are stressing about exams, get in touch with me. We may be able to work out how we can remove that stress and give you back your peace. And parents, if you are watching me and you have a child who is in year 12 or in year 13 or indeed year 11 studying A-level chemistry and is challenged at this time and is stressing, get in touch with me. We have been there. We understand what the children are going through at this time. Again, we specialize in supporting A-level students to achieve an A star in A-level chemistry so that they can secure admission into prestigious medical schools of their choice, not a university that is just handed out to them because they could not pass or they could not get the A or A star needed for the course they want to study. I look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now.